Hi guys, welcome to the course on Tinkercad Computer Aided Design. My name is Laureate, I'm a design engineer and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. So this is a continuation of our tutorials on Tinkercad. In our previous lesson, we learned about how to drag and drop and delete objects in Tinkercad. Today we are going to learn about how to move objects around the work plane and rotate objects. So I hope you enjoy the lesson. So the next thing we are going to do, I usually prefer to work in this dimension. The next thing we are going to do is to learn how to move features around on the work plane. Just like we did, we held on to the shape and dragged it to the work plane. You can also hold on to it in the work plane and just drag it around to any specific place that you want to place it. Okay, any specific part of this region that you want to place it. You can also use specifications. You can specify with dimension how far away from where you picked it should go. So I'll say 100 and I would say 50, right? And then I have a specific position. Okay, so Tinkercad is pretty easy to use. Let's go ahead and move items around on the work plane. Okay, so I'm going to put a few items here. All right, and we have something. If you're wondering how I'm able to rotate the screen, I'm using a mouse. And well, I'll just advise that if you're going to do any card software, you're going to learn any card software or practice any card software, it'd be best if you have a mouse. Okay, having a mouse makes it much easier for you to just maneuver through your card designs. Currently, I'm holding on to the right click, and that's what's helped me to rotate the screen about the points it's on. Okay. That's what's helped me to see the screen as I am. Now, if you want to move the screen right, down, left, right, up, you know what I mean. Exactly what I'm doing. You just have to hold onto the middle scroll of the keyboard. Okay, the middle button on the keyboard where you usually use for scrolling. You can just hold on to that and then you move your work plane around. Okay, that's easy, right? Now, if I want to zoom in or zoom out, I just scroll and scroll the opposite direction. Scroll backwards, scroll forward. That's how I zoom in and zoom out. Alright? Yeah. So I think this should be very easy for everybody. Alright, so now let's learn how to rotate a body when we have it. Okay. So how are we going to achieve this? When I click this, look carefully, you can see there's an arrow here that allows you to rotate. When you click it, you can specify the angle of rotation. Okay, that's one option. Another option is you can actually hold on to the arrow and then rotate it about the axis for the specific rotation you're trying to achieve. Okay, if you're trying to rotate right side up, you can see it here. There's an arrow there, right? Yeah. How about if you want to rotate in this manner? You can see it there. Okay, so I mean, whatever it is you're trying to achieve, it's doable. Just have to pay attention, look at it carefully, and then do that. Okay, so you can play with these things. So in our future lessons, we're going to discuss sizing and adequate dimensioning in Tinkercad. So I hope you join through to the end. See you in the next lesson.